So you've been trying to eat better, maybe even cutting your carbs, but you still feel tired, you still feel bloated, and you feel stuck. You grab a healthy snack, suddenly your energy just crashes again. If that sounds familiar, it's not your fault. Most snack advice out there completely ignores insulin resistance. And today I'm going to show you exactly what to eat instead. 50, that's right, 50 simple snacks that actually support your blood sugar balance, help fat burning, and stop the constant cravings. So we've all been there trying to do the right thing, only to find that something as small as a snack can undo a whole day's effort. We think we're eating healthily, but things like low-fat yogurts, rice cakes just keep insulin high and our bodies stuck in fat storage mode. We need food that works with our hormones, not against them, especially in mid-30s onwards when your metabolism's starting to naturally slow down. I used to think snacking was harmless, something to get me through long days or curb hunger between meals. I was a queen of snacking throughout my teens, my 20s, and my early part of my 30s. I even took up marathon running after that, partly so that I could snack more. But as an educator and former nurse, I now understand that how and when we snack can make or break insulin sensitivity. Once I started choosing foods that combine protein, fat, and fibre, my energy changed massively and quickly. No more sugar crashes, no more constant hunger. So let's go through my go-to list. All real foods, no gimmicks, no expensive products, just smart, simple choices that work. And here's what we can do together. Pick snacks that stabilise the insulin, reduce cravings, and support your metabolic health and are keto-friendly to boot. And I've broken these into time sections too, with the best time to eat them and what they help with. Just easy, satisfying options that keep you in fat burning mode. Use fat and protein to reintroduce food without spiking insulin. Boiled eggs with sea salt is just a classic keto starter, balances your hormones and promotes fullness. Mini omelette muffins made with eggs, spinach, cheese. Ideally, you can prep them ahead so you can have those for breakfast. Greek yogurt, you want full fat, you want unsweetened. Add a few chia seeds or crushed walnuts for texture. Just remember to put the chia seeds in there at least 20 minutes before. Half an avocado with lemon and salt is monosaturated fats, which boost your insulin sensitivity. Cottage cheese with cinnamon, flaxseed, protein and fibre that supports your gut health. Chia seed pudding with unsweetened almond milk, maybe add some cinnamon or nutmeg. Great fibre sources and slows down glucose absorption. Boiled eggs with olive oil drizzle, doubles down on healthy fats and satisfaction. Cheese cubes, Babybel, portable and rich in calcium and fat. Nut butter on celery sticks, crunchy, filling, low carb as well. Small protein smoothie with almond milk, protein powder, make sure it's unsweetened, chia, post workout or post food options. This food list helps avoid that 2 to 3 p.m. slump and keeps your glucose fine. Turkey chicken roll-ups, cold slices wrapped around cheese or avocado, zero carb, very satisfying. Tuna meal or salmon meal on cucumber rounds, you'll get your omega-3s, reduces inflammation, supports insulin response. Flaxseed flaxseed crackers with cheese or guacamole, crunch without the carbs. Olives or an olive tapenade with vegetable sticks. Oleic acid improves your insulin functioning. Bell pepper strips with guacamole, low carb veg and fat for steady energy. Courgette sticks with hummus, low carb versions, balanced fat and fibre with no spikes. Celery sticks, cream cheese, crunchy, hydrating, blood sugar safe. Chicken drumsticks, you can have hot, cold, real food, which is really rich in proteins and fats. Edamame beans with sea salt or tamari, higher in carbs than meat, but still has a low glycemic index, so it's great in small portions. Avocado with chili and lime, metabolism supporting healthy fats. And then this next list supports your second half of the day when your insulin sensitivity naturally declines. Beef strips or turkey jerky, unsweetened, high protein, no added sugars. Tuna or egg meal dip with cucumber sticks, balanced, satiating, refreshing. A small handful of pumpkin or sunflower seeds, you'll get magnesium and zinc, which aids your blood sugar control. Pickles or sauerkraut, fermented, low carb, supports your gut microbiome. Broccoli, florets with avocado dip, you're getting fibre, you're getting fat, you're stabilising your blood sugar. Almond flour crackers with hummus, easy to make, really excellent texture and gives you steady energy. Smoked salmon with cream cheese, protein, good protein fat combo for appetite control. Cucumber, apple cider vinegar helps reduce post-meal glucose. Cheese with a few walnuts, ideal for a quick portable afternoon bite. Turkey slices with mustard, high protein snack that can prevent that kind of late day hunger. And then in the evenings, we want to be focusing on slow digesting protein and fat to support recovery. Something like Greek yogurt with cocoa powder, xylitol, feels like dessert and supports your gut health. Dark chocolate at 85% or higher, rich and improves your insulin sensitivity. Coconut yogurt with crushed nuts, probiotic and high fat. Almond flour, protein mug cake, sweet but blood sugar safe. Ricotta with cocoa powder, cinnamon, slow digesting protein, good for evenings. Cottage cheese with flaxseed balances your hunger hormones overnight. Boiled egg with paprika, mayo, savoury if you want something savoury, satisfying. Avocado chocolate mousse, creamy dessert without the carbs. Walnuts or almonds before you go to bed because they provide magnesium, which supports relaxation and insulin repair. Some frozen raspberries with Greek yogurt, tiny portion of berries for antioxidants without a spike. And we all need an occasional list, don't we? So these are all keto and all insulin friendly. As we said before, the cucumber with apple cider vinegar, before meals it flattens your post-meal glucose. Sauerkraut or kimchi before lunch or dinner because it's fermented and gut friendly. A small protein smoothie after a workout or a walk supports muscle recovery. Avocado deviled eggs as an afternoon snack can boost the good fats and the proteins. Homemade almond flour biscuits. Evening treat, no spike, no guilt. Coconut crisps, quick fat source, and you make them from coconut flakes. Cheese stuffed peppers, midday, afternoon, satisfying and colourful. Cottage cheese with chia seeds, cinnamon, late evening. It's got slow release protein for overnight satiety. So the reason for these options are protein triggers GLP-1 and PYY, which are hormones that control hunger and insulin. Healthy fats improve insulin receptor sensitivity and reduces inflammation. Fiber slows glucose absorption and fermented foods gut balance, support gut balance, which directly is improving your metabolic health. So when you eat these foods at the right times, your energy stabilizes, fat burning stays switched on, and your cravings start dropping naturally. Now it's your turn. Start swapping just one or two of your usual snacks for some of these options this week and see how much more stable your energy feels. You don't need perfect meals or complex macros, just better snack choices that work with your body rather than against it. And if you want a copy of the full printable guide with all 50 snacks and time and notes, pop a comment below and I'll reach out to you. And if this was helpful, subscribe for more practical, no-nonsense videos on reversing insulin resistance naturally.